Meaning of fractional distillation.
Fractional distillation.
Fractional distillation.
Fractional distillation.
Fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is a process of separating a mixture of two or more liquids with different boiling points. It involves heating the mixture to a temperature where one component vaporizes but not the others, then condensing the vapor and collecting it separately. By repeating this process multiple times through a fractionating column, the components can be separated with increased purity. The result of fractional distillation is that the mixture will be separated into its individual components, with the highest boiling point component collected at the bottom of the fractionating column, and the lowest boiling point component collected at the top.